Sales Plus helps you to prepare and present deals in a simple, paperless and customer-friendly manner. When the customer arrives, you can find them in your daily appointments or simply create them. You can quickly view and edit their details, including any notes and contact preferences, so you can ensure everything is up to date. Many customers will have already confirmed the vehicle they're interested in from their online inquiry, and this is carried forward to save time searching your stock. To make sure you are clear and open with the customer from the very start, you can ask a set of tailored questions that will be used later to present only the most appropriate offers. You can email the customer their initial disclosure document and capture images of documents such as their driving licence. To prepare for the demonstration, the customer can sign a test drive declaration directly on the tablet, confirming all their details are correct. This is of course saved for future reference. While the customer is on the test drive, you can use the integrated appraisal apps to value their part exchange vehicle. Meanwhile, the business manager can stack the deal, including only the most appropriate insurance, warranty and finance products in line with the customer's earlier responses. After driving the car, the prepared offer can be presented with supporting videos and presentations to ensure the customer is fully informed about the details of the deal. The next step is to complete the order, but if any changes are needed, it is simple to go back and make them. Completing the order means you can confirm the purchase of the part exchange vehicle and step through the relevant questions ahead of finalising the agreement with the customer, who can sign their documents on the tablet or remotely over email. To prepare the finance proposal, you can hand the tablet to the customer so they can enter their personal details privately without access to the deal itself. The paperless documents in the agreement are signed and dated and are stored in the DMS for future reference. With the deal complete, it is simple to arrange workshop preparation, invoicing and handover with no rekeying to do.